Okay guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can upload contact to another contact on your iPhone. And what you probably mean by this is that you want to put together two different contacts, like you want to merge them together. Now, there are a few things which could be going on. So if I open up the photos, let me show it to you right now that, for example, this is the case for you. So if you open up your contacts list, you may notice that you have duplicates that might have been found. So you can see that one duplicate found, merging duplicates just combines them together. So that's really good and just keeps the unique information. Now, if this is the case, you can just click on duplicate found and like combine them together. So you can tap on that as well. Two of the same, merge all or ignore all, you can put together and stuff will happen. So this is one thing how you can put one contact or upload one to another. However, if you have the contacts ready, like if you have like them separately saved in your contacts app, you cannot really like upload them together and cannot merge them if they're different. But what you can do is to simply just copy the phone number from that specific contact. Then go to the phone app, type in the phone number right here and click on add number. But instead of creating a new contact, you add it to the existing one. So you can also do it from the other way around. Basically just copy all of the important information from one contact and put it inside of a different one. And that's how you can put them together. But you will have to do it manually, as there is like no way how you can do it natively within iOS, like automatically. So you have to do it on your own. That's just how it works, but this is how you can do it. So don't forget to also, before we wrap up, to check out the Foxtecc educational platform, which I created for you, and you can watch it for free. There is content and like classes and courses which you can watch for free. For example, there is a full course on video editing in Adobe Rush, all for free for you to watch. So go ahead and join right now. I will wait for you inside. For now, thanks a lot for watching. I will catch you guys later in the future video.